Welcome to Anjani Shri Sai. Yesterday I have read Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Creation, Chapter 1, Questions by the Sages from verses 20 to 23. Now I am going to read Chapter 2, Divinity and Divine Service from verses 1 to 6. This is the image related to chapter 2 in which Sutta Goswami is giving the answers to the sages' questions. Text number 1. Vyasovacha iti prashna samrishto viprano maharshanihi pratipujya vachas tesham pravuktum upachakrame. Translation. Ugrashrava Sutta Goswami, the son of Romaharshana, being fully satisfied by the perfect questions of the Brahmanas, thanked them and thus attempted to reply. Text 2. Sutovacha yam pravarjanantam anupetam apetakrtyam dvaipayano virahaktatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयत्ताय तरवो बिन्दनिस्तरस् तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिम् आनन्तोऽस्मि. Translation. Srila Sutta Goswami said, "Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto that great sage Sukadeva Goswami, who can enter the hearts of all. When he went away to take up the renounced order of life sannyasa, leaving home without undergoing reformation by the sacred thread or the ceremonies observed by the higher caste, his father Vyasadeva, fearing separation from him, cried out, O my son, indeed only the trees which were absorbed in the same feelings of separation echoed in response, to the bereaved father. Text 3. Yasvanubhavam akila shruti saramekam adhyatmadipam atitishatam tamondam संसारिणां करुणायाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनाम्. Translation. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto him, Sukha, the spiritual master of all sages, the son of Vyasadeva, who out of his great compassion for those gross materialists who struggle to cross over the darkest regions of material existence, spoke this most confidential supplement to the cream of Vedic knowledge after having personally assimilated it by experience. Text 4. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Translation. Before reciting this Srimad Bhagavatam, which is the very means of conquest, one should offer respectful obeisances unto the personality of Godhead, Narayana unto Naranarayana Rishi, the supermost human being, unto most Mother Saraswati, the goddess of learning, and unto Srila Vyasadeva, the author. Text 5. Munaya sadhu prishtaham bhavadbhirlokamang mangalam yadkruta Krishna samprasanno yenatma suprasidati. Translation. O sages, I have been justly questioned by you. Your questions are worthy because they relate to Lord Krishna and so are of relevance to the world's welfare. Only questions of this sort are capable of completely satisfying the self. Text 6. Savai pumsham paro dharmo yato bhaktir adoksaje ahetuki apratihata yayatma suprasidati. Translation. The supreme occupation dharma for all humanity is that by which men can attend to loving devotional service unto the transcendent Lord. Such devotional service must be unmotivated and uninterrupted to completely satisfy the self. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more updates. And please stay tuned. Thank you to all once again.